there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I am so glad you are here because today we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, transforming your farmhouse home into the most beautiful, breezy early summer retreat you have ever seen. We are talking soft neutrals, airy spaces, natural textures, and that gorgeous relaxed elegance that makes a farmhouse feel like a warm hug on a sunny June morning. If you are new here, welcome to the family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a design idea. Drop a comment below and tell me which room in your home you are most excited to refresh this summer. Now, let's get into it. Your farmhouse's exterior is the very first chapter of your home's story, and for early summer, we want that story to say warm, welcoming, and wonderfully relaxed. Think crisp white or soft creamy board and batten siding, paired with a weathered wood front door in sage green or warm honey brown. Add a classic metal roof detail or exposed timber porch beams for that authentic farmhouse character. Window boxes overflowing with white petunias and trailing greenery add softness, while a simple black iron lantern by the door keeps the palette grounded. Curb appeal is your home's first handshake. Make it count this season. The entryway sets the emotional tone the moment you step inside, and in a farmhouse, it should feel organized, warm, and effortlessly charming. Start with a shiplap or board and batten accent wall in soft white. Mount a rustic wooden coat and hat rack with vintage-style black iron hooks, perfect for hanging linen summer hats and light jackets. A slim shoe cabinet in a warm oak or white painted finish keeps things tidy without stealing space. Add a cushioned bench with woven seating for easy shoe changes, and lean a round vintage-style mirror above it to reflect light beautifully. Finish with a natural jute mat at the door and a small ceramic vase with fresh eucalyptus sprigs. Simple, intentional, and absolutely stunning. Now let's step into the heart of the home, the living room. For early summer farmhouse style, we are embracing what designers call a tonal neutral palette, meaning layering shades of warm white, linen, soft beige, and barely there grayish together for a cohesive, sun-kissed effect. Choose a slip-covered sofa in a natural linen fabric. It is forgiving, casual, and deeply farmhouse. Layer in a chunky knit throw, a woven rattan side table, and a jute area rug to anchor the space. Swap out heavy winter pillows for lighter ones in soft sage, muted terracotta, or pale cream. Add a large-scale botanical print on the wall. Keep the curtains sheer and breezy, and let the summer light do the rest. There is something truly magical about a well-dressed farmhouse dining table, and summer is the perfect excuse to go a little extra with the details. Anchor the room with a long, solid wood dining table. Think reclaimed oak or painted white with visible grain texture, paired with mismatched vintage-style chairs for that collected over time feel. For your table's cape, layer a linen table runner down the center, then cluster a trio of varying height clear glass vases filled with wildflowers, cotton stems, and sprigs of fresh lavender. Use simple white ceramic plates with woven placemats and matte black flatware. Hang a statement rattan or wicker pendant light low over the table for atmosphere. Thoughtful, beautiful, and ready for summer gatherings. The farmhouse kitchen is where function meets soul, and getting the balance right makes all the difference. Opt for shaker-style cabinets in soft white or warm off-white with aged brass or matte black hardware, a classic combination that never goes out of style. A farmhouse apron front sink is a non-negotiable character piece. For appliances, a stainless steel or matte black refrigerator and a classic 6-burner range add a professional yet homey feel. Now here is a tip. Tuck a small, compact coffee machine on an open lower shelf or a dedicated coffee station corner with a small wooden tray, a linen-wrapped ceramic mug holder, and a little potted herb for charm. Open shelving styled with white dishes, mason jars, and a trailing pot hose plant ties everything together warmly. Every farmhouse needs a family room that invites everyone to kick off their shoes and stay a while, and yours should be no different. Start by mounting your flat-screen TV on a shiplap feature wall. The white paneling keeps the tech from feeling cold or out of place. Frame the TV with floating wooden shelves on either side, styled with a mix of books, small potted plants, ceramic vessels, and 1 or 2 woven baskets for remote storage. Choose a deep, comfortable sectional in a warm neutral. A performance fabric is a smart choice for busy family rooms. Layer the floor with a large jute or wool blend rug. Add a vintage-style wooden coffee table with hairpin legs, and finish with a gallery wall of black and white botanical prints. Cozy and considered. In today's world, a multifunctional space needs to work harder than any other room, but that doesn't mean it can't be absolutely beautiful. For the home office corner, choose a unique, smaller-scale desk. Think a curved-edge solid wood piece or a reclaimed timber plank on hairpin legs, and pair it with a comfortable linen-upholstered chair. Add a small, vintage-inspired brass desk clock as a sophisticated accent. It adds personality and practicality without taking up space. A compact vintage-style small radio in warm wood and cream adds nostalgic charm and great background music while you work. Transition to the reading nook with a built-in bench or a cozy barrel chair beside a window, a tall floor lamp, and a floating shelf stacked with your favorite reads. Intentional and inviting. Your bedroom should feel like a breath of cool, fresh air this summer, and achieving that is simpler than you might think. Begin with your bedding. Layer crisp white linen sheets with a lightweight cotton quilt in soft sage or pale dusty blue. A tufted or slatted wooden headboard in a warm white or weathered gray is the perfect farmhouse focal point. Style your nightstands with a small potted succulent, a simple ceramic lamp, and a few stacked books. Hang sheer white curtains from floor to ceiling to make the room feel taller and more airy, a designer trick called high and wide hanging. Add a vintage-style wooden dresser, a braided jute rug beside the bed, and a woven basket for blankets. Peaceful, pretty, and perfectly summer. The bathroom is often the most overlooked room for seasonal refreshing, but a few thoughtful changes make a dramatic difference. For a farmhouse-style bathroom, a walk-in shower with white subway tile, a simple black iron frame, and a rainfall showerhead creates a clean, spa-like atmosphere. Pair it with a classic pedestal sink or a floating vanity in warm white with a vessel sink in matte white or speckled clay. Choose aged brass faucets for warmth and character. They pair beautifully with the white tile palette. Add a small wooden ladder rack for linen hand towels, a glass jar filled with cotton balls or bath salts, and a sprig of dried lavender for a natural calming scent. A woven seagrass basket under the vanity handles storage beautifully. Most people overlook the garage entirely when it comes to home aesthetics, but a farmhouse garage deserves some love too. Start with the door. A classic carriage-style garage door with black iron hardware and glass panels at the top instantly elevates the exterior. Inside, paint the walls a warm white and add open wooden shelving along one wall, styled with labeled galvanized metal bins for organized storage. A pegboard painted in a soft neutral with black hooks keeps tools accessible and tidy. Add a vintage-style pendant light with a cage shade for warmth, and if space allows, a narrow potting bench doubles as a workspace and a charming garden corner. Practical and polished, just like the rest of your farmhouse. The patio is where summer farmhouse living truly comes alive, and yours should feel like an outdoor room rather than an afterthought. Start with a solid wood or teak dining set for the main entertaining zone. A rectangular table with cross-back chairs is a farmhouse classic. Layer a weather-resistant outdoor rug in a simple stripe or natural texture underneath. For the lounge area, a pair of deep-seated rattan chairs with linen cushions around a low wooden coffee table creates an irresistible gathering spot. String warm Edison bulb lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Add a galvanized metal planter with herbs, a ceramic pot with a sculptural succulent, and a lantern or two on the table. The outdoor space should always feel like a natural continuation of your interior story. One of the most common questions I get is, how do I choose furniture that really feels farmhouse without looking like a catalog copy? Here is my golden tip. Mix old and new with intention. Invest in one or two quality antique or vintage-inspired statement pieces like a reclaimed wood dining table or a painted armoire, then fill in the rest with more budget-friendly neutral basics. Look for natural materials, solid wood, wrought tan, linen, jute, and ceramic. Avoid overly ornate or heavily carved pieces. Farmhouse style is about simplicity with warmth. Furniture with visible joinery, turned legs, or a slightly worn finish adds authenticity. Always ask yourself, does this piece look like it belongs in a place that has a story? Color is perhaps the most misunderstood element in farmhouse design because it isn't really about no color at all. It is about quiet, intentional color. Your summer farmhouse palette should build around a warm white base. Think Benjamin Moore White Dove or Sherwin-Williams Alabaster. Then layer in soft linen, warm sand, muted sage, and dusty clay as accent tones. The magic happens in the textures. A chunky knit in cream reads completely differently from a smooth ceramic in the same shade. Use darker tones like charcoal, black iron, or deep navy only as small accents in hardware, frames, or a single throw pillow. Keep the overall feeling light, airy, and cohesive. When in doubt, pull tones from nature. Those palettes never disappoint. In farmhouse design, accessories are not an afterthought. They are the soul of the space. Think of them in terms of what designers call vignettes, small curated groupings of objects that tell a little story. On your kitchen shelf, group a vintage ceramic jug, a stack of linen-bound books, and a small potted herb. On your coffee table, layer a wooden tray holding a candle, a round ceramic dish, and a sprig of dried cotton. In the entryway, a framed chalkboard sign, a gathered bundle of lavender, and a worn leather basket create instant character. Always vary the heights in your groupings, stick to your palette, and mix textures freely. The best farmhouse accessories feel found, not forced. Early summer is absolutely the best time to invite nature into your home, and in farmhouse style, this feels completely natural and utterly beautiful. Think beyond the typical potted plant and embrace a layered approach to botanical styling. Hang a eucalyptus bundle from your shower head for a spa-like scent. Place a tall fiddle leaf fig in a woven basket planter in the living room corner. Group small terracotta pots of fresh herbs on the kitchen windowsill. Bring in a jar of freshly clipped garden greenery to the dining table. Dried botanicals like pampas grass, cotton stems, and dried lavender add texture and longevity to your arrangements. Nature is the original farmhouse designer, so let it lead. Lighting is one of the most transformative and most underrated elements of interior design, and in a farmhouse home, getting it right means layering multiple light sources at different heights. Start with your overhead ambient lighting, a statement wrought tan or woven pendant in the dining room, a classic galvanized metal chandelier in the kitchen, and a soft drum shade in the bedroom. Then add task lighting, a swing arm wall sconce by the reading chair, under cabinet lighting in the kitchen, and a ceramic table lamp on the nightstand. Finally, layer in accent lighting with candles, small lanterns, and those beloved string lights on the patio. Warm-toned bulbs, around 2,700 K, are essential for creating that soft, golden, farmhouse glow. The right lighting makes every space feel like magic. One of the things I love most about farmhouse design is how easy it is to transition between seasons with just a few simple swaps. No full renovation required. For early summer, it is mostly about lightening up. Switch out heavier woolen throws for lightweight cotton or linen ones. Swap your darker accent pillows for ones in soft sage, dusty blue, or pale coral. Replace your dried winter botanicals with fresh or dried summer botanicals like lavender, wildflowers, or eucalyptus. Update your entryway mat to a natural core or woven style. Move any candles from amber or spice scents to fresh citrus, white tea, or light floral fragrances. These small, intentional updates take less than an hour but completely shift the feeling of your home from one season to the next. I always say that great design is not about how much money you spend. It is about how thoughtfully you spend it. You can create a genuinely beautiful farmhouse interior on any budget. Shop thrift stores and antique markets for character pieces, a worn wooden stool, a vintage crock, a chippy paint frame. Use paint as your most powerful tool. Repainting old cabinets or a tired dresser in a soft white completely transforms a piece. DIY shiplap using thin pine boards is one of the most cost-effective ways to add farmhouse character to any wall. Invest in a few quality textiles, a good linen duvet cover or a solid jute rug, and let simpler pieces support them. Great style is about curation, not consumption. And there you have it, friend. Your complete guide to creating a summer-ready farmhouse interior filled with soft neutrals, airy spaces, natural textures, and so much warmth and intention. From the charming exterior facade all the way through every room, out to the patio, and back again, every corner of your farmhouse has the potential to tell a beautiful, personal story this season. I hope today's video gave you real ideas you can start using right away, no matter where you are in your design journey. If you found this helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. It truly means the world to me and helps this channel reach more home lovers just like you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for fresh design inspiration every single week, and leave a comment below telling me which room you are tackling first. I read every single one. Until next time, happy decorating and make your home your happy place.